Welcome. Today is a reset. A short, guided pause you can take between things and bring back to your day. Most of us don't need another technique. We need a pause we'll actually take. This one is built for that. Between meetings, your attention residue from the last call doesn't disappear on its own. A reset clears the slate before the next. Before a decision, a brief pause shifts you from reactive to chosen. The same decision, made calmer, lands differently. This isn't a crisis tool. It's a maintenance practice, short enough to use, regularly enough to compound. We'll do 4 stages. Ground, breathe, scan, return. Ground means landing in the body. Feeling the seat or the floor beneath you. Breathe means letting the breath be, not changing it, just noticing. Scan means a soft sweep through the body, from head to toes, checking, not fixing. Return means coming back to the room, with whatever has settled. 3 minutes of guided practice. No technique to remember, just show up. Let's begin. Settle in. Eyes soft or closed. No phone. No posture rules. Just receive what's said. Ground. Feel the seat or the floor beneath you. Notice the weight of your body. Let your shoulders drop, just a little. Breathe. Don't change the breath. Just notice it. The cool air on the way in. The warmer air on the way out. Scan. Soft sweep, head, shoulders, chest, belly. Then arms. Then legs. Just noticing. Not fixing. Return. Bring attention back to the room. Sounds nearby. Light through your eyelids. Open your eyes when you're ready. Three moments when this reset earns itself back. Morning, before the first email. It sets the nervous system to rest before action. Not the reverse. Lunch, after eating, before the next block. The midday slump is partly a parasympathetic dip. The reset shapes it instead of fighting it. Before sleep, after dinner, before the wind down. Not the same as a sleep meditation. This is the threshold. That's the reset. Take it with you. Or come back tomorrow. Both are the practice. Subscribe for Module E2, The Open Hand.